Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if your voicemail is not working on your iPhone. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So first fix that you can do if you have this problem is to check to see if the voicemail has been activated. So let's start with the obvious. So just check if your voicemail even is switched on. So there's an easy way to check that. So first just go to your settings and then tap into the phone option, and then after that just scroll down, and if you see the option that says change a voicemail password, just like as this one as shown in the photo, then that means that the voicemail is on, and if you don't see it, then the voicemail is off and you need to enable it, and you do that by going to the phone app and then tapping into the voicemail at the bottom. And then that's it for the first fix, and then what you can do next is of course close the app and relaunch it. So if the voicemail is on, the next possibility is that the phone app is malfunctioning. So in that case, it is time to first close it and then just reopen it. Yes, I know that it sounds like a cliche, but restarting things does work in vast majority of cases. So to do this, to first close the phone app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you will see the floating windows of each opened app. So swipe left or right until you find the phone app and then swipe it up to close it. And now exit to the main screen and tap onto the phone again to relaunch it. And that's it for the first or the second fix rather. Then what you can do next is to toggle the mobile data off and on again. So if your iPhone voicemail is not working, then the next step is to see if there's an error with your mobile data plan. And you can do this by toggling the mobile internet data off and back on again. So this can be done by going into the settings and then tap into the mobile data part and toggling on and off or off and on the mobile data option next on the screen. So in the US it is called the cellular data instead of the mobile data. So if the mobile data comes back on without a hitch, then that isn't the issue. And if it doesn't come back on, maybe your phone bill, or it is on the part of your phone bill, you need to pay your phone bill. So that's it for the third fix. And then lastly, what you can do is to check for an iOS software updates. So next up, does your phone need an operating system update? Because sometimes some device features are temporarily disabled until an iOS update is applied, especially if it is a beta features involved. So to do this, just go into your settings and then go to general and then tap into the software update to see if anything awaits. And if there's an update available, just download and install the update in your iPhone. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if your voicemail is not working on your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.